Hey friends, if Appdata folder is missing in Windows 11, then it can mean two things. The first thing is that there is no Appdata folder, it has been deleted recently, and then there was no cache that was built. No worries, you can build it again. Or, here's what happens. When you press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window and type percentage appdata percentage and hit enter, you ask where's the appdata folder? Because using this command takes you to the appdata roaming folder. Now go to the address bar and go one step behind. This is the appdata folder. Okay, or you can go one more step behind and you will find the appdata folder here. Oops, you don't find it. Why? Because you have to click on view and then show hidden items. So this is how it works. This is the Appdata folder. Just go to the Appdata roaming folder and then go one step behind. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.